Electra is building Europe's EV charging network and doing it fast. The French startup just raised over $500 million to expand its ultra-fast charging stations across the continent. Here's the idea. Charging your EV shouldn't be slow or complicated. Electra installs high-speed chargers in places you already go, like parking lots, hotels, and shopping centers. Using the app, drivers can find a station, plug in, and get a solid charge in just 15 to 30 minutes. But Electra isn't just setting up hardware. They're doing the whole thing in-house. Hardware, software, site partnerships, they control it all. That means more uptime, smoother experience, and no third-party headaches. With 2,200 stations planned by 2030 and rapid growth already in France and Italy, Electra is turning charging from a chore into a pit stop. Backed by serious funding and real traction, this startup is built for speed and built to scale.